What's going on, my friend? Garrett here. In this video, I'm going to reveal how to make daily affiliate commissions totally for free just using a simple Facebook profile. Now you can see on the screen right here, this was a recent commission that I made. It was a $5,000 sale, and you can really apply this method to no matter what product or service you want to promote online. Now, I'm going to share with you exactly how to find a good product to promote first off, so you guarantee you make sales. A lot of people that go out there, they start to get some traffic and clicks to their link, but they're not making sales, and it's simply because they're not promoting a high converting product. I'm going to share how to make sure you're promoting a high converting product. I'm also going to share a 5-minute newbie-friendly method to start generating leads and sales on Facebook without even needing a following. You know, a lot of people, they don't want to bother their friends and family on Facebook, and they don't have a big following, and they want to know how they can start getting, leads and sales just promoting products. Well, you're going to learn exactly how to do that. And I'm also going to share with you the entire process you can take step by step in this video live, so you can literally just follow exactly what I'm doing. Now, be sure to stay to the very end of the video though, because you're also going to discover exactly what to do daily to start bringing in commissions, even if you're brand new and you have no technical ability. So stay tuned because you do not want to miss this. Okay, my friends, so the very first step is we need to find a product. Now, there's a lot of places you can go online, JVZoo, Warrior Plus. For the sake of this video, I'm going to do ClickBank. Now, I will say ClickBank's not my favorite place to find products. If you go to my10ksystem.com, which is the link below, you'll see my #1 recommended program to promote. But in this video, I'm going to do ClickBank. All you have to do is click sign up. If you don't have an account, create an account. And then once you're in your back office, all you have to do is go to Marketplace. Now, what you can do is you can find all these different products. Okay. Now, it really does not matter. You can do e-business, e-marketing, health and fitness. Now, for the sake of this video, I'm going to do e-business and e-marketing. Okay. So we just click that category, and you always want to sort results by gravity when you want to find a product on ClickBank. What gravity means is it's basically a rating on how many, on average, other affiliates were able to make a sale within the last week or so. So the higher the gravity score, the more other people that are making sales, the better. Okay, so you know that if other people are making sales, you can make sales. Now, this one has a gravity score of 255, which is incredible. Anything above 30 is usually good, and you can go ahead and promote that product. Okay, so let's say for the sake of this video, this one actually has a average dollar conversion of $43, which is really good. And again, a high gravity score. So what you can do is you can actually open up this sales page to take a look at it, make sure it looks pretty good, and you'd be interested in promoting it. Okay, so this one's online social media jobs that pay $25 to $50 per hour. Okay, so what you can do is if you like that product, you just want to click promote, generate hop links, and then you just want to copy this link here. Okay, now we want to keep this handy. Okay, you can put it in a notepad because we're going to actually use that a little bit later. So now what we want to do is we want to actually go to Facebook. Okay, now if you have a Facebook, chances are you do. All you want to do is you want to go up to the top search bar, and we want to type a few words that have to do with the niche our product is in. So for the sake of this video, it's in business, making money online. So I can type in make money online, okay, and I can go ahead and search that. And then I want to click groups, okay, so I'm only seeing groups. Now what I want to do is I want to look for bigger groups, okay, anything above 10,000 members. This one has 44,000 members. And what we want to do is we want to join these groups, okay. Now I've already joined a lot of these. You want to join at least 10 because you're going to want to do this on a daily basis. So let's open this one, okay, 44,000 members. And what you want to do is you want to open it up. You want to scroll down, make sure that it's a little bit active, okay? Make sure that, people are actually liking these posts. So this is not getting good engagement, okay? So there's probably a better group. So let me check this one, okay? So what we're looking for is big groups that are active, because what we're going to do is we're actually going to post in this group. Now, if you've tried to post in a group before, I want to share with you some key tweaks that you can actually do, okay? So this one was just a little over couple months ago, okay, and this has 437 comments. Okay, so you can see this works because what we're going to be doing is we're going to be posting in these groups, and we're going to tell people to comment for more information, because as they do that, our post is going to start to get more engagement, and Facebook is going to start bumping our posts up to the top of the group, and we're going to start to get a lot of leads. So what we want to do is, now that we realize this group is pretty active, okay, even this one was Good. This is a little bit a while ago. Okay, October 26th. But it's still getting 1,300 comments, which is incredible, right? So what we want to do is we want to go back to the top, and we want to actually go to write something, okay? Because we're going to write a post. Now, I always prefer to actually open this up here and to, use this background here. And what you want to do is you want to go back to the sales page, and you want to look at the headline, okay? Because chances are the headline's working. So we want to actually copy and paste, okay, this into here. So let me go ahead and paste that. So we don't want to just do that because that doesn't really make that much sense. It's kind of random. So what we want to say is, we want to make it a question, right? So do you want to discover online social media jobs that pay $25 to $50 per hour? Okay, no experience required. And then we want to give a call to action. You always want to end it telling people to comment for more information. So we say, if so, comment info below. Okay, so if you reach a certain amount of text, then it will actually not be able to do this format, so we can just erase that. Do you want to discover online social media that pay blah, blah? Okay, that looks really good. And then all we have to do is post, okay? And then once you post, what's going to happen is you're going to start to get notifications on Facebook of people commenting, okay? People are going to comment info, I'm interested, please show me, okay, things like this. And then all you have to do is when someone comments, okay, so some of these people are actually trying to promote their own, but some people are going to say info, okay, you can see this person here. And then all you have to do is open their profile, go to message, okay, and then all you have to do is say, hey, I saw that you requested information on, the social media jobs or, how to lose weight, right? This really works in any niche. Be sure to check it out here. And then you can actually send them your affiliate link, okay? And when you send them your affiliate link, they're going to go there. And because it's high gravity, meaning it's really good at selling people on buying, you're going to start to make sales, okay? This process is incredibly simple. And again, you don't need a following because really the group has the following. You're just hijacking and leveraging the following in the group. So you want to do this. I mean, you can really post in a ton of groups per day, okay? Up to 10 usually. You don't want to go too crazy, but I would say 5 to 10 when starting off is pretty safe. Post those in different groups and then also test out different products, okay? Because some products are going to work better than others. You can just, like let's say for example, you can go to this one, okay? Look at the headline. So give me 5 minutes, I'll show you how to generate so that could be the headline, okay? Just to share with you one more example. Let's say I go here, open this up, so I can say, do you have 5 minutes? If so, I will show you how you can generate first paycheck. Comment info to learn how. Okay, that's it. And then people will comment, and again, you just send them your affiliate link. This is incredibly simple, and if you like this video, be sure to click the like button. I have so many methods just like this. Also subscribe with the bell icon. I'm going to be doing weekly videos on more strategies that are very simple, free to do, and newbie friendly. And last but not least, ClickBank's good, but if you want to discover my #1 affiliate program to promote, to make some amazing commissions online, be sure to go to the first link below. Check out that free video, and I really think you're going to love that. Anyway, my friend, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on my next training.